Have you ever wondered why, with the same drawings and the same process, some teams achieve perfection while others constantly struggle with risks and errors? The difference isn't in the software or the budget. It lies in how engineers think before they begin. In civil engineering, mindset is the most powerful tool, one that no blueprint can display. It defines every decision, every reaction, and ultimately, every outcome of a project. Most challenges in the industry are not caused by technical limitations, but by a reactive mindset, a tendency to wait for problems before responding. It feels safe and familiar, yet it silently weakens performance. Projects slow down, costs rise, and stress multiplies. Engineers end up solving crises that could have been prevented long before. A reactive culture treats risk as an interruption. But in truth, risk is a constant. The most successful engineers are not those who fix problems fastest, but those who prevent them from happening. They understand that true control begins with anticipation. Excellence starts when a team shifts from asking, "What happened?" to "What could happen?" That simple change transforms panic into preparation and chaos into clarity. A proactive mindset is not about fear, it's about foresight. It means designing processes that predict, not just react. It means studying every factor: design, material, manpower, and environment as part of one system. When that system is understood deeply, uncertainty turns into stability. To reach this level, every organization must redefine success. Finishing on time is no longer enough. Real success is when outcomes are consistent, predictable, and resilient. That requires discipline, curiosity, and leadership built on awareness. It's about rewarding prevention, not just performance. If this project failed, what caused it? Working backward from failure forces clarity. It transforms risk from an unknown threat into a measurable variable. Over time, this mindset becomes cultural. It shapes how engineers think, how teams plan, and how leaders lead. Take a moment to think about your last project. What was the most stressful moment? Was it when something unexpected forced you to react instead of being prepared? Share your thoughts in the comments below, because awareness always begins with reflection. When proactive thinking becomes a habit, everything changes. Meetings focus on prevention, not correction. Engineers move from chasing deadlines to engineering certainty. At that point, excellence is no longer an ambition, it's a system. A clear example of this mindset in action can be found at AXA Engineers. The philosophy guiding AXA Engineers is built on one principle. Excellence is not measured by how well a team handles crises, but by how rarely crises occur. Every project begins with a focus on prevention, structure, and long-term stability. At AXA Engineers, mindset is treated as part of engineering itself. Each engineer is encouraged to strengthen observation, anticipation, and continuous learning. The organization prepares for scenarios before they appear, ensuring that every plan can adapt to changing conditions with minimal disruption. Partnerships are also viewed differently. Collaboration is not about dividing workload, but about sharing responsibility for risk. This approach allows AXA Engineers to create strong, interconnected project ecosystems where quality, performance, and continuity reinforce one another. Such a culture does not happen by chance. It comes from purpose, consistency, and a belief that excellence is built, not declared. By asking, "How can we ensure stability for years to come?" instead of, "How can we finish faster?" AXA Engineers has shown what proactive engineering truly means. Excellence in civil engineering has never been about avoiding risk. It is the art of identifying and controlling it before it happens. The best engineers are not those who react quickest, but those who design systems where failure is least likely to occur. Challenges will always come. The real question is, how prepared are you to face them? The answer lies in your mindset. If you believe that the future of civil engineering begins with mindset, share your perspective in the comments. Which quality do you think matters most in building a proactive culture, vision, analysis, or collaboration? And if your organization is ready to bring that mindset to life, connect with AXA Engineers, where every structure is designed not only with precision, but with certainty.